Hey guys, I just want to drop this word of encouragement for all my Jamaicans that's living abroad that's facing some type of hardship. You know, you're missing your families and stuff. Like, we gotta try and remain positive. Everyone has their down days, everyone has their really hard days that you feel like you can't cope anymore and you just want to just be done with everything that's happening. But just remember, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. I've met upon caregivers. You guys know I'm in the caregiving field, so I've met upon caregivers that they are just so negative and them energy just wrong and them just they just come off as toxic, you know, they're unapproachable and stuff like that. No, I want to remind you, like, you can't get up every day and down and be so hard on yourself. Come on, you gotta chin up and just look towards the goal. Look and just remind yourself that, listen, I'm doing this because there's an end goal. You gotta be strong. You have to stay positive, my sister and my brother, because I realize I have quite a few gentlemen over here too. You understand me? Just stay positive, be positive. Listen, YouTube has so many inspirational videos on there that you can listen to these things to help to build your spirit every day. I have my down days. My son isn't here. I have to talk to him on video camera, whatever, and he's asking all the questions. Mommy, why? Whatever. Mommy, when? Whatever. You understand me? So you got to remember that it is so important to outpour positive energy. Even for me, I'm at work. My client has been having some really shitty days for the past 2 days because he have a little health issue. This morning I come, you know, I offered him a shower. I offered to rub his leg, rub his head. He's very gentle and he loves comfort. And I gave him a shower, fold his blanket, put it on him head, lotion him, everything. Him feels so good. Oh my God, thank you so much. He was so thankful, and it has literally made his day better. For 2 days he didn't want to get out of bed. You know what he even said to me? Like, can you take me for a drive? I just want to get outside today. I feel so much better. Like, sometimes you have to do little things like that, and it made me feel good too. You understand me? For caring for somebody, I realized that the little bit that I did made him feel so much better. You get the man say lift up his spirit a little bit, and because his spirit is lifted, my spirit is lifted. There's no negative energy around today. You understand? So sometimes, guys, you have to work towards your own happiness. You can't just depend on other people to make you happy.